India's superpower ambitions, growing complexity of security challenges among India's neighborhood, and economic aspiration to become $5 trillion GDP by 2025. To safeguard all these interests, India requires a strong defense capability. A very good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. So today I am come over here with a new topic, and that is the modernization of Indian Army. So modernization of Indian Army. In this course, the current government of India, they announced to invest more than 130 billion US dollar to in modernization of Indian Army by next 5 to 7 years. And apart from this, the government, they have initiated the Make in India defense program, and under which the every year in India the defense expo is being conducted, and all the companies, Indian indigenous companies as well as the foreign companies, they are coming and they are participating in the defense expo. And with this, the Indian defense sector, they are getting so much help. And apart from this, the government of India currently in the month of May 2020, they raised the acceptance of FDI in defense by 76% through automatic route and 100% through government to government basis. So this is a great step. I would like to appreciate this move by the current government. And apart from this, the government of India, they have also been procuring the 7 lakh LMG for Indian Armed Forces, and also the Indian Ordnance Defense, they are manufacturing more than 2 lakh of lightweight bulletproof jackets which will be provided to the Indian Army. And also currently we've seen that India got 6 Rafale, and Rafale is the one of the best fighter jet in the world, and obviously no doubt it will modernize. It has given a large boost to Indian defense capabilities. And as far as the two front war for India is concerned, then India need to require the fasten the pace of modernization of Indian Army. I would like to say that the government of India, they need to invest more, and rather than procuring weapons from other countries, they must build the products indigenously. And as far as the India currently they are producing, and India defense export is only 17,000 crore rupees per year, and the government have targeted to increase it up to 35,000 crore rupees export of Indian defense sector. So at the end, I would like to conclude by saying that the government is going good, but the government need better implementation, and at a deliberate pace they must move forward on the same path. That's all. Thank you.